Here's of Siacoin holder. So this is the latest update of Siacoin. What's the latest update and what's the prediction to an upcoming times? Can Siacoin is moving upward? There is a chance to the price is increased because the all crypto market is very badly fails down and all crypto market is completely dumps. So let's check out the latest update of Siacoin, my brother. But kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Okay, this time you can see here the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here my brother simple prediction. You can see here a short prediction. If I do so exactly, my friends, then you understand to upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not, my brother. So you can see my friends, they completely moving in this circulation to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump fails down completely. Every cryptocurrency moving in this circulation. So if you can see here after a very big fail, my friends, they take a absolutely jump. So it's mean to upcoming times they moving upward. You can see here this time 0.02 USD dollar is the latest price. If we check out my friends to really they moving upward in upcoming times or not, so let's check out the last 1 hour chart what's going on. If this chart is going to be positive, then absolutely this time you can say they after this you can start fails, they take a gain jump now. So it's mean to just and only, my friend, in a few minutes you can see here the chain occur will be positive now. And this time minus 0 point just and only minus 0.28% they fails down. So it's mean, my brothers, to I hope very fast hold, and this time exactly the price will increase now. So you need just and only to hold, because you can see here this time you can see here after this short jump, my brother, they absolutely take a very long jump. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming times they move upward. So you need to just hold for the end of this month, my brother. So thanks for watching. Hope you understand, and absolutely if you like this type video, kindly